Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So this is my hair before I started mini braids. My hair was not healthy, it was cutting, it has a lot of thin like the hair was not just okay guys. So I stumbled across mini braids challenge and I decided to join, and I was so happy when I started. And this is my hair 6 months time. Okay, I was, look, as you guys can see the smile on my face because I am so excited that my hair has changed in mini braid. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the oil I have been using for a while, and I'm still using till now. So that has been giving me amazing results on my hair, helping me to grow my hair. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. This is my hair on 8 months after. You can see healthier, the ends of my hair is healthy because of mini braids, one, and a lot of consistently using the oil, different products that has been helping me, especially natural products. Okay, I'm always a natural girly, using natural products on my hair, mostly Ayurvedic product, moringa, hibiscus, flaxseed, fenugreek seed, a lot of spices. Okay, so this is my hair. I think this was a year thereabout, I'm not too sure, or 10 months or 11 months, because I always carry mini braids every 2 months. Okay, so that's how I calculate it. All right, so I think this was either a year thereabout. Yeah, this should be a year, and here is a year. And this video was I think a year and, yeah, a year. And so guys, and I have been seeing a lot of results on my hair, tons of growth, tons of thickness. So this is me after I have lost the previous hair. So I'm making a new hair and you can see the growth. Like my hair keeps growing each time I lose it and remake it, it keeps growing. So guys, let's get today's video started. I'm starting off by making my hair. So on this day was 30th of April, and I started my mini braid June 27, 2024. Okay, and we are on a year and 8 months. Okay, so I am really happy about the growth so far. So I'm going to be using just 2 ingredient, which is rosemary. Rosemary helps in stimulating hair growth. It helps in growing your hair. If you're having bald spot, it's going to help you out. Okay, and I'm also going to be using lavender. Combining these two together is really good and amazing for hair growth. And I'm also going to be using MSM powder. It's a year now I have been using MSM powder and I love the results so far on my hair. Okay, so you need coconut oil, olive oil, pure almond oil, and Jamaica black castor oil. So these are the oils I'll be mixing together to create the hair growth oil. So it's simple, easy. You need your blender so that you can crush the rosemary and lavender together, because you need it in a powder form. Okay, so I am using half tablespoon to measure the 2 spices. So if you have watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Let me know, have you started mini braids challenge? How is your routine? I have a lot of videos on my channel on how I started, where I am now. You guys, yeah, OG, you know. So mostly I added more of the rosemary and the lavender, so I blended it, I have crushed it, and this is what we have. So I'm going to add it into this bowl as you guys are seeing. And the next thing is to add our oil. So I'll be using this cup. I always measure my oil so that it's going to last me. This batch of oil I am making is going to last me for a month, 2 months, depending on how I use oils on my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to be using this cup. This is 1/4. I think it's 1/4 cup. Okay, then I'll move into adding the rest of the oil, which is which is almond oil. All right, and I'm using a measuring spoon, so I always measure everything. And this is my coconut oil. I'm using half tablespoon for each of them. So this is my black castor oil as well. I added black castor oil, and I'll be adding in our MSM powder before we go into double boiling method. Yeah guys, so you just mix everything together, and after mixing it, you're going to double boil, like the stain in a pot, which I'll show you guys how I do my double boiling method, which is really effective for hair. You can use this oil as a leave-in, you can use it as a hot oil treatment. It works very well. So I'm going to be using the MSM powder. MSM powder helps to boost hair growth, strengthens your hair. If you're suffering from alopecia, thin edges, try using MSM powder on your hair. You see amazing result, because my edges before was nowhere to talk about, but right now my edges is really growing because of MSM powder and every other Davidic spices are using on my hair. And that tip I would say is also leave your hair, if you add oil on your hair for today, leave it to another maybe 2-3 days before you add another oil. Don't be consistently putting your hands on your edges, because it breaks. I have tried it before. There was a day I did a challenge. I was touching my edges every time, and each time I touch my edges, 1 strand or 2 strands of hair is falling off. So I decided not to touch it, and I'm seeing results. So guys, this is the double boiler method. You put your plates inside a pot, put hot water, and you allow the heat to steam. I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we are going to strain. After straining, and I'll show you guys how I apply it on my hair. I am not going to remove the ingredient though. I'm just going to pour all this in my container and leave it. Like, the more it sits, the more it ferments, the more it works. So that's what I have been doing. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn this, the whole of it, inside my bowl like this, and I'm going to leave it like this in my toilet, like my shelf in my toilet, and it sits there for as long as the oil is still there. It sits there. Then if the oil is finished, I can just add more oil and replace it. You understand? So this is what I use on my hair, and it has been doing wonders on my hair. It has been growing my hair. So simple to make, so easy to make. You don't need to break a bank. If you want to grow fuller, longer hair, try this hair growth oil. You're going to thank me later. So this is me after I have made my hair. Okay, this was 2 days or 3 days past I made the hair. So I always pack my hair in 2, as I always say. And here I have this hair growth tea, which is already in the channel. Do watch it, check it out. Okay, so I'll spray this all over my hair. After spraying it all over my hair, I will add in my leave-in condition and the oil. So I did a hair growth butter as well, which will be coming up in the next video. Do want to check that hair growth butter out. You're going to love it. So this is the leave-in condition I'll be adding. I always say in my video, each time you are spraying teas on your hair, always make sure you fall in with leave-in condition for it to be sealed, because mostly of the tea, yes, it grows your hair, but it's mostly water. So you need leave-in condition to keep the hydration and the moisturize your hair, if you get my gist. Yeah guys, so after this, I'm going to go in with the oil. I already have a previous batch of oil which was almost finished, so that is why I made a new one, and I decided to take you all along. So this is the new oil I just made. It's still sitting. Like, this oil is going to sit for a very long time. The more you see, the more potent it is. So do not remove your lavender and your rosemary after you have infused them. Do not remove it, just leave them there. The more they soak, the more your hair growth oil is potent. Like, guys can see my hair now, it's growing. and this is so simple to make. So this is the previous one I had, and I just want to finish it before moving into the new one. So love, I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying this hair growth oil? Let me know in the comments. So as you can see, my front edges is coming up. I feel my gene is not the kind of gene that my hair grows so fast. My hair takes time to grow, but the longer it takes, the more I love it, because I am seeing results after 2 months. Like after 2 months, you see huge results on my hair. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Let me know in the comment section. We'll be trying this hair growth oil. It's so simple to make. These ingredients are super amazing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.